6 months ago, I made the biggest mistake of my woodworking career. Now I have one chance for redemption. If you aren't one of the precious few people that actually consider yourself a fan of my channel, let me catch you up to speed. About 6 months ago, I was finishing a 3-table, $30,000 package for a couple over in Europe. I got almost all the way done with all 3 tables after the clients had already been waiting over a year, and I found trapped moisture inside the wood, essentially rendering all 3 tables unusable. I was despondent. I didn't know what to do. I had to have a very uncomfortable call with them where I said, "Hey, I messed up. Do you want your money back?" And they said, "No, we'd like to stick with you, even if that means waiting another 6 or 8 months for our tables." And that's why I consider this to be the double or nothing, or the redemption